our channel. So once again, it's me, Myra, and I hope all of you, everyone, have a nice day, happy. Please stay safe because here in Cavite, in General Trias, we are locked down from today, August 3 and August 18. So I don't know to the other place if they are locked down or not, but here we are locked down. So just stay at home and be safe. So for today, I would like to share something to all of you. I don't know if you will find it interesting, but for me, nothing. I just want to share this you all guys. But disclaimer, I'm not an expert, I'm not a nutritionist, but this content that I would like to share to all of you is based on my research, based on my beliefs, based on my understanding, and yeah, I want to share to all of you. So, sana magustuhan ninyo, makakuha ka ng konting ideas, and of course, I hope you inspired. And yeah, if you are interested, so stay tuned and happy watching. So anyway, ikaw, isa ka rin bang spicy lover? Mahilig ka bang kumain ng maanghang? Maanghang na ketchup, mga chili garlic sauce na maanghang, chili paste na maanghang, or kahit anong klase ng mga sauce or mga pagkain basta maanghang. Isa ka rin ba doon? Dahil isa akong spicy lover. Hindi ko dito ang kahit anong pagkain ko kapag wala akong sausawan o walang partner, ang lahat ng kinakain ko na maanghang. And because of that, I have secret why I love spicy foods. Because for me, ang spicy ay kailangan din natin sa katawan. Kasi based on my research na ang chili daw ay nakakatulong din sa ating kalusugan. Meron siyang mga health benefits na maibibigay sa atin, which is true. So, ngayon, I would like to share some of the tips that I learned based on my research, based on my experience, and based on my understanding, and i-share ko sila sa inyo. So that's all my vlog for today, and if you think you like my vlog, please do subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below and click the bell button para ma-update ka sa mga upcoming vlogs. So once again, thank you everyone for watching my vlog always, and always remember, live the life to the fullest, love yourself, be yourself, and be happy always. So, bye-bye and see you on my